Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a Bakewell tart. I've always liked the smaller Mr.Kipling sized Bakewell tart, so I thought I'd make a family size one. And I'm going to throw in a couple of chef techniques to just elevate it a little bit more. So give this video a like, make sure to subscribe, and the full recipe is linked below. Thank you. Okay, so to get started, we're going to make the pastry. So first we need to add the flour in a medium-sized bowl and rub in the butter with your fingertips until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Then add roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, cold water. Then using a metal spoon, combine until it forms a dough. Then wrap the dough in cling wrap and place in the fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes. This can also be made the night before. So for the jam layer, this is going to get a little bit technical. You can, however, place the jam straight into the pastry case, but what we're going to do is create a layer effect so that the jam is suspended inside the frangipan. So first we're going to heat up 250 grams of good quality cherry jam, and we're just going to wait for this to get fully melted. And then we're going to add 7 grams of agar-agar or veggie gel, and then using a whisk on high heat, we're going to continuously whisk this for 2 minutes, and then we're going to pour it into a lined 7-inch round tin, and then using a spatula we're going to smooth this down into a nice even layer and let it cool in the fridge. In the meantime, to make the frangipan, we're going to melt the butter in a medium-sized pan. Then we're going to take it off the heat. We're going to add the caster sugar and combine, add the ground almonds, then combine again and add in the eggs and mix until thoroughly combined. For the pastry, we're going to roll it out on a lightly floured surface, and then using a rolling pin, roll it back on itself and place over a 20 centimeter or 8-inch flan tin. Don't worry if you have cracks, as short crust pastry is very forgiving, so just trim the top and patch up any holes or tears you have. As you can see, that's what I've done here. Using something like a measuring cup, flatten out the pastry by pushing down and then also pushing the pastry up against the sides. And then using a sharp knife, trim the top again. Then line the pastry using foil or baking paper and place baking beans or rice inside. Then we're going to blind bake the pastry for around 15 minutes. And then we're going to remove the beans or rice from the pastry tin and bake for a further 5 to 10 minutes to dry out the pastry. Once the pastry is cooled, place the almond mixture in a piping bag and pipe a very thin layer inside the pastry case. Then remove the jam layer from the tin and place upside down onto the frangipan layer. Peel away the baking paper and pipe the rest of the mixture on top of the jam. Then using an offset spatula, smooth out the mixture until nice and level, and then sprinkle some almond flakes on top and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. As the pastry case is cooling, combine the icing sugar and water in a bowl and mix until a thick honey-like consistency. Once the tart has fully cooled, pour over the white icing and smooth using a spatula. Then using either a teaspoon or a small piping bag, draw horizontal lines across the tart using the red icing. Then, using a toothpick, drag the icing in a 90-degree line. And there you go, guys. This is my super quick and easy Bakewell tart that you can make at home. Enjoy. Full recipe is linked below. What else did I say?